Hey you guys, I wanted to do an post unboxing because it's already been unboxed, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this piece is starting to become very coveted, and I got me the mini Montsouris backpack. Now this is a pre-loved item, and I found this really great seller on eBay. It's a Japanese seller. I have high trust for Japanese sellers. They do not play when it comes to their luxury goods. And I think this is a really great condition for something that was made in 1996. So it's just about 25 years old. And I got this piece because not only it's a vintage piece, I think that it's satisfying my need to get in a Palm Springs backpack, which is so highly sought for right now, and it's actually kind of turning me off. And I wanted something a little bit different, and I discovered the mini Montsouris. So think of the Montsouris backpack as the love child between the Palm Springs and the Noe bag. So the Noe portion will be the drawstring, and the Palm Spring portion will be the backpack. So I got this piece, and it still has, like, the fluff and stuff in it, but it's very clean. It's very clean. Doesn't have any like crazy odors or anything. And here's the date code. So this was made in October of 1996. I was looking everywhere for a bag that was created in my birth month, which is November, but it was so hard. I kept on finding a bunch of Septembers, Octobers, and the ones that were in November were like really poor condition. But I got this in really great condition for the type of piece it is. Of course, it's gonna have this strong watermarks and, patina and all that. But it doesn't really bother me. It's not as bad as it could be. I've seen worse, and I've seen worse that's been sold higher. So I was able to get this for like 500 and something change, almost $600, which is a really great price. I believe on sites like Fashion File and like Vestiaire and like the Railroad, they're being sold for over 1,000. So yeah, I scored when I got this bag, and this is made in France. And it has a pocket here, which is a lot less fussier than the Palm Springs version. You can put your cards or whatever you want in here, your lip gloss. And this has a lot of space. This has a whole lot of space. You can attach anything to this D-ring. You can attach your card holders or anything with a key ring. I have a Louis Vuitton coin pouch or key clay that I can attach to this. And you can put all types of stuff in here. I don't know if I'll get this professionally cleaned. Maybe, but it's not something in the cards for me right now to invest in, because I know it can get really pricey and really expensive. And I kind of like the vintage appeal of it. Here is how the backpack looks on my frame. For reference, I am about 5'2" or 5'3". As you can see, there's a lot of influence from the Palm Springs mini backpack and this backpack, and it's a great option to use while you're on the go. If you're a minimalist like me, this backpack is right up your alley. It fits all your essentials. I can't wait to rock this piece during the warmer months. It's currently winter. I trust to wear this more so spring and summer and fall, where it's less likely to be so rainy and snowy. I don't want the vachetta to be affected by watermarks any more than it already has, so I'm going to leave this out of commission unless I want to switch it up. But I do have a Prada bag, the bucket bag that I'm using, that's also basically this type of style, and that's been my go-to winter bag. Anybody who's familiar with Prada knows that Prada bags are normally nylon, and nylon bags are water resistant, so that's been my winter bag. If you guys are interested in more videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions or if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you.